Alright guys, as you can see, quarter panel window is gone. uh, I got it about 20 minutes ago. So today I'm gonna show you how to remove a quarter panel window. It's really simple. This quarter panel has a sealant that goes down this frame all around, and it has two I would say plastic uh, bolts looking thing that attach the window. So I'm in process of removing this one. I already mostly removed it, as you can see. So I still have a little bit over here at this end, and the top is already removed, as you can see. So the tools I used is it's simple. This is a Harbor Freight, and it's a Chicago Electric oscillating multifunction power tool. When you buy this tool, it does not come with this attachment. So when you buy it, you have to get a separate attachment. I think the tool was like $20, and attachments was like maybe 8, I think. But yeah, it works really good. All you have to do is get this tool in between and just keep cutting from outside. The problem is the inside. You have to go inside the car, remove this panel, and then start doing it from inside. You see that the damage on the window right here? That's actually a factory tint, so that's not a big deal. If you're not gonna keep the window, if you're gonna put the plug, a carbon fiber plug like I will, you can just bust this window and then just peel this off easy. You can actually break it and it will peel off. Me, I think I'm gonna keep it just in case. The one other reason I'm doing this is because I cannot put tape underneath there. I cannot paint it underneath there, so it's gonna always be gray. So yeah, that's one other thing, that this actually needs to be removed in order for you to paint it. So pretty much what it needs to be done is just a little bit over here at the end, and the window will go out. So yeah, let me show you a real quick how I'm gonna do it. Nothing special. It might be loud, but yeah, let me show you real quick. All I'm gonna do is just use this tool from inside and see if I can cut it real quick. I'm holding the thing here. Alright guys, this is how it looks like. Like I said, it's just a sealant that you have to cut off with a knife, or you can use this as well. I used this for a while just so to get this corner. But yeah, pretty much that's how you do it. You just you have to work your thing, work your this tool from inside and then do it, and then the bottom part as well. The top part you can do it from outside, it's really easy, but the bottom part you have to do it from inside. It's kind of pain in you know what, but it works. It works. I got it off, and I might show you the video how to install it. But yeah, right now I'm gonna probably just clean this really good, cut it with that tool, then I'm gonna sand it, bondo if it needs be, and of course primer before bondo. So yeah, that's how you do it, guys. It's really simple. I will update you guys what's going on, and I will probably upload a video how to install this panel as well. I'm in the process of getting a carbon fiber plugs, which I mean, it's gonna take a while before they get over here, but yeah. Anyway, that's how you do it, guys. Do it slowly, take your time, don't rush, because this window you can break it so easy if you not pay attention, because it's pretty much same like a door window. It shatters like easy. So yeah, pay attention on that, and just take your time, guys. Anyway, make sure you like it, subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.